This drill is called the piston squat. The piston squat is a great way for you to assess the mechanical alignment of your hips, knees and ankles for explosive speed. In the piston squat, stand on one leg. Have the other leg straight out in front of you and slowly pull your buttocks back down towards your calf. Once there, hold momentarily for 1 or 2 seconds and explosively drive upwards out of your heel. When you're doing this drill, make sure that you stay perfectly aligned and drive upwards through the shoulders.